What's up, you guys? It's Susie back again with another hair video. Here I am combing out my naps. Just playing. My hair is not nappy. It's very soft. For the information, yeah, it is. So here I am just parting out my hair, getting ready to do some feed-in braids. I'm just really like trying to keep this in for about a week, like 3 days. I really don't want these braids, but I figured why not show you guys how I do my feed-in braids, but the quicker version. Like, you know, in another video, I'll probably go step by step on how it should be done. And probably that video, those braids will look popping. And it probably won't be in my hair. It'll probably be someone else's hair because I don't think I want them in my hair again. All right, so basically I'm just sectioning out my hair. As you can see, I have 6 braids. So I already know how many braids I'm gonna have. And then I can just section out the weave that I'm going to feed in. So I'm starting on the first braid where I'm just feeding in piece by piece of the weave. And then just going from there. Like, I'm just watching Netflix because it's about probably 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired. I just really want to get my hair done. And the show that I'm watching, Criminal Minds. I'm really watching Criminal Minds. Like, that's my show, whereas I can like walk away from it and then come back to it. I'm not going to rewind to see what happened because in every episode it's basically like the same thing. You know, they're solving crime. And I'm not going to sit there and keep rewinding it. It's just amazing to see how, okay, this is not about Criminal Minds. It's about my hair. Anyway, so I'm doing the small braids, you know, as I go along. So for each braid, I'm just, you know, doing the small braid, then the big braid, and then attach it. That's it. Like, normally I would braid the small braids first so that I can have neater parts. And then, you know, I go back and I braid the bigger braids. But I just wanted to get this over with and just show you how to do it. You see in the back, it's not even all that, it's not all that popping. It's not straight, but it's neat. Like, from a distance, if you were to see me, you would think, oh my goodness, who did your hair? Me. I did it. I can even hit them with the first time doing my hair. But here I am at the last braid, ready to be done. I think I took probably like 2.5 hours on this. Most of the time I was just playing around, trying to find something else to watch on Netflix. But, you know, I got them done. Now I'm just laying down my edges for the most part, just whatever hairs are sticking up, just brushing it in to my braids. And then I think I'm gonna tie it down because I'm really tired. And normally, you know, you're supposed to hot water the ends, and I'm gonna do that in the morning. So here's the hot water for my hair. Of course, I put my finger in there just to see if it was hot, and it was blazing. Anyways, I poured it into the sink so that I can just dip my hair into it easily. Yeah. Thumbs up this video. Thumbs up this video for more. Since I was young, they said I